if you want to download a Preply app, just go ahead and open up your browser, okay, and then just type Preply app, okay, and basically you're gonna be able to see the app being shown in the results. And if you're using Google App Store or Google Play, just go ahead and click on your store. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead to my Preply app, and they will redirect me to the Preply, and I'm gonna be able to download the app from here. Instead of open, you're gonna see the download button, right? And you're gonna be able to download it to your iPhone or to your Android. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.